Welcome to Mapplanner. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to create and edit your templates and customize, with them, the behavior of the markers. Enter the Templates tab and create a new one. In the left column, you can give the new template a name. In the right panel, set up your entire template. In the first tab, indicate how long the animation will last when you hover over the marker. Then, select the border and colors for the area markers. If this template is used on image or icon markers, you can define their opacity and animation in the lower area. In this case, we do not configure these options. We will see it shortly in this same video. The hover event in the next tab occurs when you place the mouse over the marker. In this case, we will show a small tooltip with the title. We configure its size, styles, and position. In the visual editor, we drag the title and place it at the top of the grid. The click event of the next tab occurs when you click on a marker with the mouse. In this case, we will display a panel with the title, description, and image. Drag all the contents to the visual editor and arrange the elements until they are to your liking. Also, try adding an event to the image showed in the panel. Like in the previous tab, indicate its position, size, and appearance. I recommend trying different options to see which combination suits you best in each case. In the Touch Click tab, define what will happen when clicking on mobiles or tablets. In this case, we select Show Panel, again, to achieve the same result as a mouse click. Save the template and assign it to one of your markers. Save your floor plan and go to the preview to confirm that the changes are to your liking. Let's now create a slightly simpler template to display more concise information. Notice that now we will only focus on setting up the animations for the icon markers. Now we can set up a tooltip that will only show the title and description when hovering over the marker. We haven't defined any action for the mouse click. But since on mobiles and tablets the hover event doesn't exist, we will make that tooltip appear when a click is made on these devices. Again, we associate this template with our marker and check that it works correctly. These are just a few ideas for the templates. Combine all possibilities to get what you want, and if you have any questions, as always, write to us at hola@mapplanner.co. Do not miss the rest of the video tutorials and take full advantage of all the possibilities that Mapplanner offers you.